Hi guys, my name is Ricky Roy. I am in YouTube channel. Today it is all my what I will tell coconut tree, and this is my new village. And today my big sister will explain something. She is my big sister.
Come.
First in the
Mm.
and me. See, my sister and me and my sister are talking about my village.
Tell.
First you.
Mm.
Oh, beautiful. Our village. Hi, my name is Aishwarya. This is our new place. This is our village. It looks like a beautiful. This is a coconut trees. There are 200 coconut trees